This mama don't know money. Mama don't know money. It's a $50 bill, y'all, $50 bill. And I'm gonna spend it on plants. I am the most boring person on the planet. What's happening at Stuart Moore Landscape Rescue? And here I am at Lowe's. We're gonna do another discount shopping video. 3 1-gallon perennials in the black pot for $10. This is a great time to stock up on any of those beds that you're trying to fill. Now, I wanted to break this down real quick for you. So I'm back here on the discount rack and just kind of looking at some of the stuff that they have on the discount rack, and I saw that there was some rare varieties of Speedwell for $4. Here's some Salvia, Violet Profusion Salvia, proven winners, $4. Well, they're having their 3 for $10 right now. So you can pay $4 for a Salvia, and we've talked about this. Don't worry about Salvia. Salvia will impress you. You can go ahead and trim the dead out of this Salvia and it's going to be fine. There's nothing wrong with this. And for $4, that's a fantastic price. But when they're running their 3 for $10 sale, you probably want to start there and save yourself 67 cents. I'm so cheap. Black-eyed Susan, normally $7 a piece. In their 3 for $10 sale, these Black-eyed Susans, which look, this isn't like crap 1-gallon stuff that they just popped in plugs 3 months ago. I mean, this has grown in pretty good. $3.33. So again, I've always said you need some of these in the back row. You need some of these in your life. For $3.33, you could probably get 12 of them and be okay. No one will yell at you. You'll still be able to pay your utility bill. So one drawback to having that many Black-eyed Susans is you might have a bunch of accidents in front of your house because everybody is staring at plants instead of paying attention to the road.
Hey, I'm looking at plants over here.
So garden Flux, we covered that on a previous video. Garden Flux is a great way to bring pops of color, and for $3.33, where can you go wrong with a garden Flux? They do have a tendency to get powdery mildew, so you want a lot of airflow with these guys. Neem oil also is something that I use frequently. Airflow, airflow, airflow. Garden Flux, just big triangles of garden Flux is probably the best way to use those. Sweet Daisy Jane Shasta daisies. Now, I have the love-hate with Shasta daisies. I get it. But I can't not seriously think about Shasta daisies when I'm trying to incorporate some other texture or color into my garden, because they do so well once they're established if you can get them over that little hump. These would be a cute little way to incorporate some drifts and break everything up, because they wouldn't overpower anything. This might be a really good option. So we have the Pow Wow White. It's in a black pot, 3 for $10. What a fantastic deal this is. I mean, yeah, that's a $12 plant, easy. Now, normally, $7, you're still doing good. But when they do these sales, you gotta be ready to take advantage of it. And that's why I say build your beds early and often. Wow. This would be good. And there's the Pow Wow Wildberry also And these aren't crazy huge, right? Even all the jazz that I do, as healthy as some of my plants are, they don't get enormous, and I do like that about them. So, you know, a combination of these two, I mean, wow, look how pretty that is. You're only doing 2 colors. It's not going to be overly nauseating. Nobody's going to fall down if they've got epilepsy. It's a good move, I think. A combination of these two. It's tough. It's tough when I come to these things. Just wanted to show you this Monarda. Allium, this is Serendipity Allium. Let me see if I can get one that's blooming so you guys can look at this. It's so delicate and it's so pretty. I'm a huge allium fan. Now, a lot of times allium will suffer from root rot. It's something that happens with allium. This variety is supposed to be more resistant to root rot. So it might be worth a try. This one is $9.98. So if allium is something that you really like, if you have deer issues, allium might be worth a stab. Maybe 1 or 2 in the garden, part of your once a week trip to purchase some plants to improve your landscape and make that investment. Maybe pick up some allium. I'm starting to see it pretty consistently at the Lowe's, which is something fantastic for them to be consistent with the varieties that they carry. Allium, give it a shot. So I don't have any hardy hibiscus in my landscape right now. Now, this is not on sale. I don't think this is one of the sale plants. I think this pot is a little too big, but I'm gonna go check. If this is $3.33, we're going to get all the mama don't know money might go towards hardy hibiscus, and I'll just be planting it around like Johnny Appleseed. So let's go check real quick. Purple fountain grass. Purple fountain grass is part of their 3 for $10. It's not hardy for our zone, but that's a really good deal, $3. You've got 3 months basically before we get our first hard free. It's hard to pass up something that gets this vibrant purple. It is gorgeous. When you put it in the sun, it turns a lot more purple than this. It turns green if you have it in too much shade. Purple fountain grass, keep it in mind, especially for that deal. That's hard to pass up. A lot of decisions. The struggle's real today. All right, guys, the first step into spending your mama don't know money is getting a cart. So I got a cart. I have no idea where I'm gonna put some of this stuff, but I am definitely getting some of that $8.99 hardy hibiscus. So that's not on sale, but I've got to at least get 3 of those. I've got a spot behind my shed that I just kind of want to fill. As a continuation of that bed behind the shed, boom, I think those hardy hibiscus will look good back there. And there's kind of a little bit of a void for maybe another Rudibeckia next to that big ruby star. So these, Denver Daisy, they're hardy for our zone. They look good. They'll compete with everybody else over there, and they'll bring a nice contrast in texture because they've got this big cones. It's almost like a cone flower. I don't know. I'm a fan. And none of you are here right now, so you can't help me through this, but there's some salvia, some violet profusion salvia that looks pretty good. It's $4. I do need some more salvia. But I could also do those Shasta daisies. So I'm thinking I'll do a combination of both. These are $4, those are $3.33. So let's do that. Okay. I found some Echinacea over here, and I say I just gravitate towards coneflower. I don't know why, but I thought I wanted to show you what a cool color this is. So this is Orange You Awesome, color coded Orange You Awesome by Proven Winners. I'm a sucker for a peachy orange. I really am, and that is cool. So it looks like they're flushing a darker orange. Flushes that darker orange, and then it matures to that pale peachy color for $10. Dude, fine, get in the cart. Well, look what the cat dragged in. Power planters. So it's $27.99 for this cute little pink one, which is probably what most of us need to plant bulbs. I just spend a little extra money and get the nice long one. Plus, Power Planter was nice enough to send me an entire kit for me to review. So we're still kind of working on that, but look at this. 50% off, so that size. It is the 24 by 3 inch bulb auger, 50% off, $49.98, normally 50% off, so you're looking at $25 for one of these. I promise, if you guys do bulbs, if you do annuals, if you do even 4-inch stuff, this auger is going to work great for 4-inch quartz, any of that. You just need to go a little deeper and maybe auger it out, kind of waller it around a little bit like you see me do. For $25, you can run this on any normal drill. Give it a shot. Power Planter, great company. All right, here's the haul from the Lowe's trip. Spent about 80 bucks. Don't tell mama. I had 6. So I got 6 of the Sweet Daisy Jane Shasta daisies. I got 6 of them because I'm a masochist. And, and they were the 3 for the 10. Then I've got 3 Violet Profusion Salvia from Proven Winners. And those were $4 a piece. And then I got the Luna Hardy Hibiscus. I got 4 of those. I went way overboard today. Orange You Awesome coneflower. And I've got the perfect spot for that bad boy. All right, guys. See you later.